Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you already saw from the title, we will unbox the Female Founders Edit USA Edition Beauty Box by CultBeauty. The Female Founders Edit USA Edition Beauty Box is retailed for £75 and worth over £190. Inside we will find 6 full-size products and only 1 travel-size product. Okay, beautiful people, that being said, let's open the box and discover the treats. I want to mention that the beauty box feels quite heavy, and this is good. This is how it looks inside. Okay guys, first product that we find is from the brand CultBeauty, Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. I had and I have this hair mask in my bathroom and I love it. It's an amazing product. Is nourishing, is hydrating, it leaves the hair shiny, glossy, smooth and healthy. A really good hair mask. Next we find a product from the brand OY Hair Care, Melrose Place Body Cream. It's a body cream that will nourish and hydrate dehydrated skin. It absorbs quick into the skin, leaving your skin supple and smooth. I tried from OY a shampoo and was good. I didn't know that this brand has body care products, but I know now. Third, we find a well-known product from Supergoop, Unseen Sunscreen, UVB High Protection with SPF 30. Is made for all skin types, is oil-free, is non-comedogenic, and is cruelty-free. Unseen Sunscreen has a colorless, scentless formula that acts as a makeup primer, leaving a soft, velvety finish. I had this sunscreen in the past and is lovely. The only thing that I don't like in this sunscreen is that it has only SPF 30. I prefer to use sunscreens with SPF 50. Next product that we find is from Summer Fridays. Their super popular Jet Lang mask. Is a very nourishing face mask, may be used as a night mask, daytime moisturizer or in-flight skin saver. It contains niacinamide, glycerin, hyaluronic acid and antioxidant to renew and nourish the skin. Fifth product is from Tower 28, Shine On Lip Jelly. Here I have the shade Chill. Is a clear lip gloss. I have a lip jelly from Tower 28 and is lovely. It has a very nice sheen, is nourishing with the lips and is non-sticky at all. I love it, a great product, perfect for summer. Sixth product that we find is from Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Highlighting Serum. Achieve a magical, undeniable glow with this versatile instant skincare highlighter that illuminates skin under or over makeup. This lightweight gel helps you achieve an ultra-reflective complexion immediately. I am not sure about this product, to be honest. I need to read more information about it, how to use it and what it does to the skin. And the last we find the travel size product. To me, it looks more as a mini-size product. From When I Met You, Living Cleansing Balm is a makeup remover cleansing balm. I am not a huge fan of cleansing balms. I prefer to use cleansing oils. Okay, beautiful people, and these are all the products from the Female Founders Edit USA Edition Beauty Box. I am delighted with this box. We found inside 6 full-size products and this is amazing. A very nice beauty box by CultBeauty. And this was today's video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!